Hello, sometimes after installation of Solidworks 2022 and we start working on it, after we launch the software, it gives an error showing a message could not obtain a license of Solidworks standard, and it also shows a code with it. In order to set this error or in order to resolve this issue, first we need to turn off antivirus, and we also have to check firewall and network protection. Here we must have to turn off all the settings. Let's go to the folder where license server file exists. Here we have the file, and let's run it as administrator and see. Now it shows failed to install. Close it, and let's check either Solidworks 2022 works or not. Let's double click on it and see either it shows error or not. Whoa, it shows the error, so let's close it and go to the next solution. Right here, services, click on services and go to find Solidworks FlexNet services. Here we have Solidworks FlexNet server. Let's right click on it and click on start. So either it works or not, it will show after a while. Take a breath and hope it will work. Oh, it didn't work here, so we have to find another solution for this problem, and the solution is, let's turn off the internet, and now let's check either virus is on or not off. All the virus settings are off. Now let's go to Solidworks FlexNet server folder, and let's try to install it again. It shows failed to install again. Now let's close this window, and we need to install all the files above. Right click and click on run as administrator, first file, and then now second file should also be run as administrator, and in the same way third file should also be run as administrator, which is LM tools. Here we will go to configuration services and now click on browse. Go to Solidworks FlexNet server folder. Here it's selected another software. Now we need to select Solidworks software here, and also click on browse below, and also click on browse below and select this file. Save the services here and right click on click on yes, and now let's start. Server start successful. Now hopefully it will work. Click on Solidworks 2022 and hopefully it will work. Now it's going on loading registry files. Oh yes, this worked now, and here we go. Thanks for watching.